Top 5 Best Bicycle Stem in 2025. This is a short video, just an overview of the products. If you want to know more about the products, please see the video description or the comment box.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description link or comment box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check comment box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 4. This is top quality product. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box.
Number 5. Uno Ultralight Bike Stem MTB Mountain Road Bicycle Stem, Mountain Bike Parts, Mixed Stem, Material, 7050 T6 Aluminum Alloy. Crafted from 7050 T6 aluminum alloy, this stem offers exceptional strength and durability, optimized performance and durability. The Uno Ultralight Bike Stem is a high-quality component designed for both mountain biking and road cycling enthusiasts. Crafted from robust 7050 T6 aluminum alloy, this stem offers exceptional strength and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance under the most demanding conditions. The stem's sleek design, with its exquisite patterns and beautiful workmanship, not only enhances the aesthetics of your bike but also provides a comfortable grip for riders. Its simple appearance is a testament to its functionality, as it serves as a vital link between the handlebars and the frame. Versatile compatibility and adjustability. The Uno Ultralight Bike Stem is designed to cater to a wide range of bicycle types and sizes. With a front fork diameter of 28.6 mm and a handlebar caliber of 31.8 mm, it is compatible with most standard mountain bikes and road bikes. The stem's versatility extends to its adjustability, with length options ranging from 60 mm to 130 mm in two distinct angles, plus or minus 7 degrees for a more upright position and plus or minus 17 degrees for a more aggressive riding stance. This mixed stem is perfect for riders who seek to fine-tune their bike's geometry to suit their riding style and preferences. Enhanced riding experience. Whether you're navigating rugged mountain trails or cruising through city streets, the Uno Ultralight Bike Stem is engineered to enhance your riding experience. Its lightweight design contributes to a reduction in overall bike weight, making it easier to maneuver and accelerate. The stem's wear-resistant, shock-proof properties ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, while the mixed stem's design allows for seamless integration with various handlebars and forks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.